So tonight is the third EWC Professionally Speaking event, and we're delighted to welcome three great guest speakers. So we have Sue Williams from Outdoor Learning Wales, we have Yola Williams, the Naturalist TV presenter, and Kirsty Williams, the Cabinet Secretary for Education in Wales. And tonight we're talking about a natural education, what a natural education means in 2018.
It's beyond the environment of the classroom that we're interested in tonight. We're obviously going to be concentrating on the natural environment and its multiple benefits.
Environment, our wildlife is so important. Of course it's important to me because I'm passionate about the whole thing. One of the things I will carry on arguing for is to have a GCSE in natural history.
I'm not here to condemn technology, far from it. But there is something rather perverse about a world where children and adults play games about building towns, running farms and designing gardens without actually setting foot outdoors.
We need education, education, education.
It's really important, especially with young people, that we educate how important it is that we look after what's around them. Because only when they know what's there and they appreciate it, they value it, that they will then fight to look after it.